Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can go ahead and add plugins to your personal developer instance on ServiceNow. So all you got to do to add in plugins, just head over to developer.servicenow.com, get signed into your account, and once you get signed in, you should see an option somewhere on your screen that says Manage My Instance. So mine just happens to be here in the top right. I'm going to go ahead and select it. And then once I scroll down here to the bottom of this Manage My Instance page, you can see that I have all of these different plugins that are available to me. I could choose to sort them alphabetically through A through Z or Z through A. I can also set up some filters here as well, where right now I'm looking at all activation statuses, but I could also just check to see plugins that I've already activated, plugins that I haven't activated, plugins that I tried to activate but failed. And in case you're also interested in plugins that have demo data, you can also add that option here as well. Or you can go ahead and search for one. So let's just go ahead and search for, I don't even know which ones are on here. Hit some roles. Okay. So let's say that was something that I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. I can go ahead and hit view details. I could read a little bit more about the plugin if I would like to. It's also going to give me this shortcut. So I'm like, oh, this sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and hit it. So let's hit activate plugin. And now you can see we are currently in the process of activating the plugin. You will receive an email notification once it's complete. You could still access your instance in the meantime. So, yep. Right now you can see under status, it's activating the plugin. Not sure how long this usually takes. I'm sure it depends on the type of plugin that you selected and how big the plugin is to before they're able to actually add it to your instance. But for me, looks like that one was pretty quick. I don't know if that little status bar was indicating if my plugin was done or not, but you could see the status here is just pending. So you could either hang out on this page or, like it just mentioned in the alert, you'll get an email once that plugin has finished downloading to your instance.